Okay, I'm going to lead you through using tapping right now while schools are closed and everything is different due to COVID-19. I made this for my students, but it should be applicable to most students. Feel free to alter any phrases to make them more accurate for your personal situation. If tapping is new to you, please watch the other video first, which explains what it is and how to use it. So now go ahead, follow along with where I'm tapping and repeat the phrases out loud after me. Even though the world is responding to this virus right now, I love and accept myself. Even though it's scary to think about, I love and accept myself. Even though it's easy to feel overwhelmed and powerless, I love and accept myself. So much is going on with this virus. There is a daily flood of information. It is so easy to feel scared and panicked. Life is so different right now. Schools are closed, people have to stay home. Do I need to feel scared of being around people? Under the arm. Will there be enough supplies to go around? How long until things return to normal? It is so easy to feel overwhelmed and helpless. I feel separate from people and activities. I'm feeling bored and on edge. But what if I remember that I do have choices? I do have a lot of power. I can remind myself that I have an amazing immune system. Even if I think I might be getting sick. My immune system is designed just for this. To fight off sickness and return me to good health. And I can care for myself by eating healthy foods, drinking plenty of liquids, getting enough sleep, I can stay home because it limits new germs. I can wash my hands regularly. yarn. I can spend some time each day outside in the sunshine and fresh air. I can reach out to friends and family when I feel upset or lonely. I can keep up with my schoolwork and use my extra time to learn more about something that I love. And when the technology for school isn't working, I will just try later. Because there will be lots of glitches and mistakes, but it will still be okay. I can remind myself that there will be enough of everything that my family needs to get through this. I can stay calm. I can think about the virus and staying home and still remain calm. So I can make smart choices that take care of myself and people around me. I will get through this. I am safe and healthy. Okay, let's all take a deep breath. Okay, notice how you're feeling. I hope that you're feeling relaxed and calm. Now you can follow along with this video anytime that you're feeling worried, upset, or lonely. Anytime that you need to feel calm, or you can use it to start your day or end your day. It's something you can use whenever you want at home until you're able to return to school. So everyone, hang in there. Bye-bye.